Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Simple Home Decor. The kitchen is the heart of the home. No matter where the life takes us, the kitchen is where we all come back to. In the realm of the home design, kitchens play a vital role in both functionality and aesthetics. A well-designed and decorated kitchen not only enhances the overall ambience of your home, but also improves the efficiency and convenience of daily activities. Modern kitchens are easy to navigate and always look fresh thanks to their neutral color palette and timeless fixtures. The signature qualities of any modern kitchen are an open floor plan and simple design elements. Whether you prefer a cozy rustic vibe or a sleek modern look, the choices you make for your kitchen can transform your living space. The design of your kitchen greatly influences the overall aesthetic appeal of your home. As the heart of home, a beautifully designed kitchen can create a lasting impression on both residents and visitors. Whether you prefer modern minimalism, traditional elegance, or rustic charm, the design choices you make for your kitchen can significantly enhance your home's interior design. Another compelling reason to prioritize kitchen design is its impact on the value of your home. According to real estate experts, a well-designed kitchen can provide a high-value return on investment. Your kitchen design has the power to enhance your lifestyle by catering to your specific needs and preferences. Whether you love entertaining guests or consider yourself a gourmet cook, the design of your kitchen can accommodate your lifestyle choices. For those who enjoy hosting social gatherings, a kitchen design with a large island and an open concept can facilitate social interactions while cooking. A well-organized kitchen not only enhances the functionality but also reduces the clutter and improves the overall aesthetic appeal. Thoughtfully designed cabinets, drawers, and pantry spaces can optimize storage capacity and make it easier to find and access items. From pull-out shelves and custom organizers to built-in spice racks and hidden compartments, there are numerous innovative storage solutions available to suit your specific needs. By maximizing storage efficiency, you can create a more functional and visually appealing kitchen. Additionally, thoughtful design choices such as proper insulation, natural lighting, and efficient ventilation can help maximize energy consumption. By prioritizing energy efficiency in your kitchen design, you can contribute to a sustainable lifestyle and create a more eco-friendly home. The design of your kitchen should seamlessly integrate with the overall layout and style of your living spaces. By creating a cohesive flow between the kitchen and adjacent areas such as dining rooms or living rooms, you can enhance the overall aesthetics and functionality of your home. By removing bulky cabinets and and replacing them with open shelves, the kitchen will instantly feel more open and airy. This can be very beneficial in smaller kitchens where every inch of space counts. In addition to making a room seem larger, open shelving provides practical storage and easy access to items. Adding houseplants to the kitchen freshens the space and also has practical applications. The right plant can help purify the air, add a splash of color, or even provide fresh produce year-round. Open shelving in the kitchen give you an opportunity to do some styling. You can display pretty serving pieces or fun collection, or simply bring in a few interesting objects to mix in with your dishes. Since cutting boards come in all different shapes and sizes, they are so pretty stacked together and layered leaning up against the wall. Wooden cutting boards are also a great way to add a ton of warmth and character to your kitchen. The kitchen space should be both inspiring and functional to create a place tailored to your lifestyle. The kitchen should be smart, comfortable, and well organized. A perfect kitchen is about more than just looks. It's about creating a space that seamlessly combines style and function. An inspiring place tailored your style for positive impact on your life. In conclusion, the design of your kitchen is essential for creating a functional, aesthetically pleasing, and valuable home. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.